What's up guys, I'm Riley with XKGLOW, and whether you just picked up our XKdrive truck tailgate light bar or you're still checking it out, in this video we're going to go over what comes in the box, what tools you'll need, and the full step-by-step installation process. The XKdrive truck tailgate light bar is our Bluetooth app-controlled tailgate bar featuring addressable chasing patterns, startup animations, and customizable running lights, brake lights, and turn signals, plus a super bright built-in reverse light. This bar will provide a cleaner, more modern look to your truck while enhancing visibility and safety on the road. With our XKdrive technology, all of the Bluetooth components are built directly into the bar, so there are no external drivers or controllers and no extra power wires just to change the settings. You simply wire the bar into your truck and then take full control right from your smartphone. And because we build products for the long haul, every XKdrive truck tailgate light bar is backed by XKGLOW's limited lifetime warranty. Now, before we jump into the install, let's go over what comes in the kit and the tools you'll need to get it installed. In the kit, you are going to get the truck tailgate light bar, some mounting clips, and some Scotch locks to get it wired up to the truck. And the only tools we will need to install it is going to be some pliers or wire strippers for the wiring, a socket to attach the power wire to the vehicle's battery, and a rag and alcohol to clean the surface. Now that we know what comes in the kit and what tools we need, let's get this bar installed on the Ford behind me. First thing we're going to do is take the alcohol and rag and completely wipe down the surface we're sticking it to. Once the surface is completely cleaned, we are ready to stick the bar, and the wires are going to come out of the right side. So make sure the logo is pointed in the right direction, and we will start tucking all the wires back behind the bumper. Quick pro tip is to start peeling off the backing paper. That way you're not fighting it when the bar is up in there. But once we get that started, we are ready to stick the bar. So I'm going to drop down to eye level, and I will use the top of the bumper to help me keep the bar as level as possible. Before we get into the wiring, be sure to pause and screenshot this graphic, as it is going to show you where each wire needs to be connected. Now that we know where everything is going, it is time to get this bar wired up to the truck. This truck has a tow package, so I'm going to be tying most of my wires into the back of the 7-pin plug, but if your truck doesn't, you can actually use the tail lights and pull all of the same signal wires from there. I'm going to cut off the 4-pin and run this reverse light to the back of the 7-pin plug. Then it is time to take the XKdrive controller power wire and the ignition accessory wire. I'm going to run both of these wires through the frame rail all the way up to the front of the truck. That way I can get the power wire connected to the battery and the ignition wire connected to a switch wire. Once we get everything connected, it is time to test the bar. I'm going to hop in the truck and run through all of the driving patterns. We're going to do the running lights, brakes, turn signals, and reverse, just to make sure everything is working properly before we tidy up the wiring. So let's hop in the truck and test the light bar. Now that we've got the bar completely installed on the truck, it's time to pair it to our smartphone. To do that, we're going to open up the XKdrive app, and it's going to prompt you to pair to a controller. I'll click pair now, and I will hold it to the right side of the truck tailgate light bar until we see a check mark. Once we see that, we will understand the legal notice, and now I have full control of the tailgate light bar. You can choose a custom turn signal animation, a brake light, even pick your startup theme, and you can even put it into show mode, which is going to cycle through all of your favorite themes in the app. If you have any questions about this install, you can email us at xk@xkglow.com or give us a phone call at 217-679-1915. And be sure to click this video, as it is a full overview of all of the features of the XKdrive truck tailgate light bar. Follow us across all of our social platforms, and we will see you in the next video.